Are you wondering what is stopping you from getting what you want? What may be the reasons for not reaching your goals? Today, after listening to this episode, you may get the answer to this question. Hello, welcome to another episode of the motivational series. In this series, I share my experiences and learnings that may be useful to you also. So, what is stopping you to achieve what you want? All our beliefs are driving us at unconscious level. Without our knowledge, some beliefs are helping us in life and some are stopping us from getting what we want. Let us know about the beliefs which are stopping us from reaching our goals. I will be covering this in two parts. This is the first part. I have also made an episode on belief that supported me, that acted as anchor to me. So if you want, you can listen to that. So beliefs can be empowering beliefs or limiting beliefs. As the name suggests, empowering beliefs help us. They help us in getting what we want in life. For example, if you believe you can achieve a certain thing, that belief will motivate you, become a stepping stone to achieve what you want. On the other hand, if you believe you cannot achieve something due to some belief, that is the limiting belief. Limiting beliefs are the main culprit of most of the things we won't be able to achieve in life. They are at the unconscious level. So, first step is to get to know our limiting beliefs. Once we know that, then it is easy for us to work on that and remove them. If we remove our limiting beliefs, automatically we have removed the obstacles to achieving our goals. If we remove limiting beliefs, we can achieve what we want. In the second part of this episode, we will know more about these limiting beliefs. So stay tuned, keep on learning. Happy self-improvement. We will meet in the next episode. Bye bye. Take care.